What would be a good experiment to do in microgravity? Well, as you can see, we already have one. This experiment, in a couple of weeks, will be going to the Glenn Research Center in conjunction to NASA for a 2.2-second drop tower experiment. And from this, we have expanded our idea to the Conrad Spirit of Innovation Award, for which we're aerospace finalists. And in our Conrad proposal for our next step plan, we told the foundation that we are going to do an experiment in 20 seconds of microgravity.
Well, what's the big picture? Well, you know these days, satellites are pretty big. Well, we've developed innovative technology that will allow smaller satellites to have the same function and capabilities as larger satellites when they work together in constellations.
Our purpose in building the ArcSat is to allow really small satellites to find other targets, such as other satellites and points on Earth. We want to be able to do this by using a control momentum gyro, which will allow the satellite to quickly change its orientation. In order to change the orientation of one of these satellites, we want to be able to pull on the axis of one of these spinning gyros. We plan to use that by using a shape memory alloy actuator, which pulls with about 3 pounds of force. It should be enough to swivel the satellite around. The CubeSats will find each other by basically lining up a shadow using a quad-cell photodiode.